I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is the treer in the field. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, a farmer has 3 sons. They are very lazy. They only eat and sleep. The farmer is very sad about his son. One day, the farmer fall very ill. He call his son. He tell them that he has a treasure for them. It is in the field. Then the farmer die. The 3 sons go to the field. They dig for the treasure. They do not find treasure. They sow seed. When the seed grow into the plant, they water them. After 3 months, they ripe the good big crop. They are very happy that in the treasure. Moral: hard work is the key of success. So dear friend, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video.